Steel structures have revolutionized the construction industry, offering unparalleled strength, durability, and versatility. From towering skyscrapers to sprawling warehouses, steel has become the backbone of modern architecture. Let's dive into the fascinating world of steel structure fabrication, pre-engineered buildings (PEBs), and warehouse construction, with a special focus on the innovative work being done by SCON Design India PVT Ltd. When it comes to building robust and efficient structures, steel is the go-to material for many reasons. Its high strength-to-weight ratio allows for larger spans and taller buildings without compromising on stability. But it's not just about strength. Steel structures are also incredibly flexible in design, allowing architects and engineers to push the boundaries of creativity. Imagine walking into a vast, open warehouse with soaring ceilings and not a single interior column in sight. That's the magic of steel. Now, let's talk about pre-engineered buildings (PEBs).
Small residential property
These are
or
the
a large
cool kids
commercial
on the
development.
construction
Their
block,
team has the
and they're
expertise
changing